This is Ngabo Shop iChannel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns North, Pyramid North. My brother, how do you feel about the game?
Yeah, no, look, he came here today, like I'm very disappointed now, because Sundowns has set a very high bar.
Yes.
And the bar they about display right now is not impressive. It's very low, because even the previous game, the PSL against Amazulu, that Amazulu, honestly should have won that game. They created more chances than Sundowns, and the referee about so Sundowns, I don't know what's happening there, or they are playing mind games with us, or win a crisis.
No, in Kinga, I think it's because of Lana Awana competition in South Africa. So they make sure ukuthi bona baba ngaphandle
kokuthi abana competition eSouth Africa esebhakaniya Pirates fan admit ukuthi they are a very strong team yabona la eMzansi mara ngaphandle kokuthi abana competition. If you analyze against TP Mazembe, Sundowns wasn't playing okay, badlalile, they created many chances, they fumbled it, mara against Amazulu they were very weak. They look ordinary.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is that they don't have competition this side because of they are winning all the games this side.
Yes.
Understand that? Because it doesn't matter how you win it. As long as you get 3 points, you go home, it's okay. Like today, they were supposed to get 3 points.
Yes.
You understand? They couldn't get those 3 points.
Not
Pyramid it's only 1 point each, I believe.
Yeah. No, not good they were supposed to get it.
Yeah.
Maybe they had to get it, but not good they were supposed to get it, because Azangba create my chances of Uta deserve a good battle 3 points here. The game they evenly matched. In fact, they couldn't even control the game.
Yeah.
It was very disappointing to see Sundowns play the way they're playing.
Yeah.
Because they it's an ordinary team. Like same way, that's why in reflect how Ugukeme Amazulu. They look like an ordinary team. It wasn't the dominant Sundowns that you know. Now who supposed bet with confidence. Sundowns win. No, very disappointing. Go Amazulu, they were disappointing today. TP Mazembe, maybe it was a build up. You would both but disappoint. As Sabatembi now who supposed bet like Pirates and Chiefs. Yeah, Moses Hala would caution my
Chiefs they have a spot bet.
The Pirates are
last time with the Sundowns with Egypt because of
hopefully, but there was a crowd as Egypt intimidating. And let me mention one thing. I understand. Unlike South African fans, South Africa, to favor Chiefs, who favor Pirates. Bese umadlala Sundowns ku CAF abayisupport ufuna favor opponent. Yabona, they are not like that. Thank you. Because that's what is gonna happen. And I came here not hoping for Sundowns to lose. I came here because I understand the journey that they are playing at CAF. It's very difficult journey. And the Sahel Latina is Pirates. So my Egypt, ama-fans alak. Remember, Sundowns finally pressure kakhulu alak. And so right now, ama-fans alak are gonna be joining the team Pyramids. Nama-fans alak zabe kuyi-one thing, shawama laser zoba very difficult away. I hope so. Bengibasupporta bengingababelanga inhliziyo ebuhlungu. Ngize ngangena ku-sports bet ngathi Sundowns win.